Do you know what is diabetes? Most people will say, yeah, I think it's something to do with high sugar in the blood. But then I ask you again, do you know what diabetes leads to if you don't control and manage it well? Most of them will stare in the sky and start trying to figure out what it is. But some people will say, yeah, I think it causes some people to get their leg cut off. That's one of the most common associations with diabetes. But that's more than that. Uncontrolled diabetes actually can lead to an increased risk of getting a stroke, increase the risk of you having heart disease. Most commonly, people relate it to heart attack. But there are other conditions like skin disease, itchy skin, discoloration of skin. All right? And most commonly, people don't realize that you are seeing more and more dialysis centers opening up everywhere. Why is this so? Why are people getting more kidney disease? People didn't realize that actually most of this kidney disease was because of predisposed to uncontrolled, unmanaged diabetes. What about blindness? People don't realize that diabetes can also cause blindness. Do you know what are the common symptoms of diabetes? Most people will just stare at you and wonder. I never think of it or never realize there's a symptom for diabetes. But actually, there are some very common symptoms of diabetes. 1. You have increased thirst. You feel thirsty easily and frequently. 2. You may have unexplained weight loss. 3. You feel hungry more frequently. 4. You may feel tired easily. 5. You may have a wound that is healing too slowly. 6. You may feel numbness in your hand or your feet. 7. You may have blurred vision. 8. You have more frequent urge for urinating. And 9. You may have dry skin. These symptoms are obvious, but most people wouldn't relate it to diabetes and don't even suspect that it's actually due to their uncontrolled, unmanaged diabetes. And perhaps they don't even realize that they already have diabetes.